Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at acids in particular, and there'll be another video later on that will take you through bases. Probably watch them both together to support you with your work. This first one then, so here's our pH scale. I've not put all the numbers in, I put the key numbers in. And acids have a pH range from 1 to 6. 7 is neutral, if you remember, and then 8 to 14 are the bases. Okay. In terms of the difference between acids in this range, then the lower the pH you have, the stronger the acids. So pH 1 is strong acids, and pH 6 are the weak acids. Okay, so that's your range for acids. Here's some examples of acids. I'm going to give you 3 examples. Each one of these, you'll notice, contains hydrogen. So hydrogen is a key feature of what makes acids acids. And these will dissociate when they go into solution. So HCl will produce a hydrogen ion, and it will also produce a chloride ion. So dissociate just means split. So these will split, dissociate into these 2 separate ions. H2SO4, sulfuric acid, this will do the same, but notice this is H2, therefore I will get 2 lots of H plus ions, and then I'll get a sulfate, which is SO4 2 minus. And then this bottom one here is nitric acid. Again, it contains hydrogen, so we're going to get a hydrogen ion when it dissociates or splits, and that will also produce NO3 minus, a nitrate ion. Okay, these acids, because they fully dissociate, that means they fully split, these are identified as strong acids. And the reason why is they fully dissociate. Remember, dissociate just means split. That will give them a pH somewhere in kind of the 1 or 2 range, because they're strong acids, fully dissociate, they're going to produce lots of hydrogen ions when they do that. Okay. As a comparison, here we have a different type of acid. This is ethanoic acid. This is the acid you use on your chips, vinegar. And this will also dissociate and split into these 2 ions, so releasing H plus again. But you'll notice that in the middle here, you've got this unusual symbol indicating this reaction can go forwards, and it can also come backwards. So this reaction can separate into the ions, dissociate, or the ions can come back together and reform the ethanoic acid molecule at the start. This tends not to dissociate, not to split very well. Okay, so this one you would say only partially dissociates, and that's what this symbol means here. It doesn't fully dissociate like these ones, it goes one way. This partially dissociates, and therefore these ethanoic acid is considered a weak acid because it only partially dissociates, and this would have a pH somewhere in the region of between 2 and 6. Okay, hopefully that explains the acids as a little review. As I said, please watch the separate video on bases to help you through that part as well.